Not all clients are created equal. Some are low budget, high drama, or simply not a fit for your skills and working style. If you're spending energy pitching to the wrong people, you will stay stuck in a frustrating cycle. In this lecture, we will unpack where high-paying ghostwriting clients spend their time, and more importantly, how to connect with them in a way that feels natural, not salesy or forced. Objectives of the lecture. By the end of this lecture, you'll be able to know where premium clients go when they're looking for writers, understand how to build visibility in high-trust spaces, learn how to start meaningful conversations without cold pitch awkwardness, know who you're looking for. Before we talk about where they are, get clear on who they are. High-paying ghostwriting clients often include entrepreneurs and startup founders, CEOs and thought leaders, coaches with expanding personal brands, professionals writing books or scaling their content. They're busy, growing in influence, and need reliable content support. What they care about most isn't a bargain price, it's trust, quality, and discretion. Agency partnerships. If you want a steady flow without constant outreach, then agency partnership might be the right option for you. Agencies, especially personal branding, PR, and content strategy firms, often need skilled writers to support client work. These include content marketing agencies, LinkedIn, ghostwriting teams, podcast production studios, how to connect, monitor job boards and writing communities for subcontracting calls, send a short, specific outreach message on LinkedIn or email. I specialize in ghostwriting for founders and executives. If you ever need a reliable subcontractor, I'd be glad to support your team. Once you're in, agencies can provide a steady stream of client work without you having to constantly pitch. LinkedIn, where clients notice great writing. LinkedIn isn't just a resume site. It's where founders and leaders build thought leadership and they notice people who write well. How to use LinkedIn smartly. Engage with posts of people you'd love to work with. Post content about your ghostwriting process without breaching confidentiality. Use positioning phrases like, I help busy founders turn ideas into sharp, engaging content. You don't need to go viral. You need the right 100 people to notice you. Podcasts and private communities. These are considered hidden gold mines. Many founders share their struggles openly on podcasts or within niche communities. What to do? Listen to business owners' podcasts who discuss writing newsletters, books, or scaling content. Join relevant Slack, Discord, or private communities like indie hackers, trends, etc. Don't pitch immediately. Show up, add value, and listen. When you hear someone say, I don't have time to write, that's your opening to offer help. Speak in outcomes, not just services. Whether it's LinkedIn, an email, or a conversation, speak about outcomes. Instead of saying, I write blogs, say, I help founders turn their expertise into strategic content that builds trust and visibility. Clients don't buy writing, they buy what writing helps them achieve. Finding high-paying clients isn't about shouting louder. It's about showing up in the right places with the right message and building quiet authority. Consistency wins. Thoughtful visibility wins. Start showing up where your clients already are and let your expertise do the selling.